We're approaching the holiday season, and many of us took part in historic celebrations for Toa Samoa. And the question I'm getting a lot lately is, what's the difference between Manuia and Malo? When is it appropriate to say Manuia? And when do you say Malo? Some common English translations for Manuia can be happy, merry, or good, as in Manuia le Christmasi, Manuia le Tasangafo, Manuia le Aso. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and good day. Christmas, New Year, and your day just kind of happens and you just roll with it, right? But with Malo, you're a bit more proactive in your outcomes. Malo can be translated as congratulations, good, or great in the context of something that you did. Malo le kamafai, Malo le omusai, Malo le kaalo. Congratulations on your effort, great patience, great game. These are all things that require some input on your part. Now there's some overlap where you can say either word, but the context is going to change a little bit. Manuia le malanga, have a happy trip. Malo le malanga, congratulations on the trip or great trip.